Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to get a driver's license in Texas. So let's get started. So there's a course that you have to take, which is a couple driver's ed. You just have to search for it and then you press on the first link. And after that, you have to press on Texas right here. And then it's going to ask you which driver's license that you want. If it's an adult one, you press on here. If you are a teenager, just going to press on here. And after that, it's going to show you the course and all the information out and how it goes. You're just going to enroll. And after you're done with the course, you're just going to go to the DBS Texas and you press on driver's license. And after that, you scroll down and you press on DL requirements. And in here, it's going to ask you for all the information and the requirements that you have to fill in, and like be a US citizenship and social security number and the Texas residency and all that. And it's going to ask you to bring the Impact Texas driver, which is the course that you took on the other page. And after you gather all the information and the necessary documents, you can simply make an appointment for the driver's license office. And you can simply just press on here, appointment. And after that, you can press on schedule a driver's license appointment. And then it's going to ask you for your Texas number and first name and last name and all the other information. And you just have to answer it, and then you're going to log on and you'll be ready to set the appointment with them. So yeah, that was the video for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Cheers.